10 years ago we were university students, and I just couldn't imagine such an acquisition 10 years ago.
Takar approached me about this idea on our regular breakfast.
We received such an offer for OANDA, that CVC, the previous owner, one of the largest funds in the world, is selling OANDA, and I just wanted to learn more.
My first answer was, "Are you kidding me?"
I still didn't think it's real, but we set up the call with the sellers. We did valuation. We also valued synergies between our companies, and we basically just started to see, okay, this makes sense. This might be another huge step for FTMO to become stronger, more diversified company.
OANDA is truly worldwide reputable brokerage company, and this is something we always wanted to create with Takar.
FTMO is a global company. We operate in 140 countries, and we needed to have brokerage, which is also as much global as possible. And for this reason, OANDA acquisition made sense to us. I started to believe in it as soon as we made the exercise whether it makes sense or not. And when we saw, it makes sense financially, it makes sense for the future, then, I just started to believe, let's do it.
We were never even hoping or thinking it will be successful business where we can acquire a 30-year-old company, reputable with its strong brand.
Having OANDA in our group definitely helps us, to be more diversified, and also with OANDA we have 700 new experienced people.
I believe it's a testament that the industry is real and needs to be considered. I believe that it's a positive message, not just for FTMO group, but for online training.
Honestly, I was very surprised that in this 29-year-old regulated institution, how they are such a nice people. The team is very similar to ours.
Well, if you think of it, FTMO can be a beginning of a trader's journey. The opposite can be the end. You can become professional trader.
My point of view, FTMO is the best way where you can start trading, because you don't need to risk that much capital, and you can learn how does it feel to be a trader. And in Quantline, that's the real professional trading company where you are actually paid for being a trader.
I believe if we combine the strengths together, it truly can be something interesting for the traders.
I'm happy to say that in FTMO we can now serve retail traders as well as the real professional traders, so that we are closing the circle for every level of trading.
The vision is to build a trading powerhouse, and I believe that OANDA is key part of the vision.
And it's our goal to provide the best services as we can.
I believe we can be mixing credibility, stability, professionalism with our maybe young drive and modern approach, digital products, and the client obsession.
I believe that for our traders, it's showing them that FTMO is a credible and reputable company, as well as OANDA, which has been operating for the past 29 years.
Imagine it as a one place for trader where you can receive multiple services and amazing customer support and the trader's experience. Actually, I was surprised that our DNA is quite close because we are driven people. We care about traders and doing just amazing things.
The acquisition of OANDA is a long-term strategic play, and we are already working on improving our products as well as OANDA's products, so that you, our clients, can benefit from it.
It was a big step for sure, but I'm still excited about it, and I really see the potential we can have together. I believe that if FTMO and OANDA join forces, the traders can get ready for even better trading experience. I'm excited what's even coming. With FTMO, the Rationale is something next, so stay tuned.